Hey everyone, it's Melanie, and today I'm going to show you how to measure yourself for a wig with and without hair. When you're measuring yourself for a wig, you want to make sure that your hair is as flat to your head as possible. I'm currently wearing a wig because I don't have any hair, but if you do, you want to measure the way that you're going to be wearing your hair when you have your wig on. So if you're someone who wears wigs as a break in between styles, you want to make sure that your hair is really nicely tight and flat to your head and in either a low braid in the back or cornrows throughout the head. And so lots of people put their hair in the really low bun and then they put the wig on top. So if you're somebody who wears wigs every once in a while, this is how you would measure your hair. You're gonna need a soft measuring tape. I like to use just anything you would use for sewing. If you're not a sewer or don't have one, you can use a piece of string, but you will have to measure the string, so it takes a little bit longer. First, you want to make sure that you're measuring from the actual start of the ruler or measuring tape. If your measuring tape the metal actually ends at the very end of the tape, then you're good to go. Some of them have like the beginning of the first inch and then the metal clip, and so the beginning would be here and then the metal clip. So measure at the very beginning of the first inch, not necessarily at the metal clip, if that makes sense. You have to measure the circumference of your head when you're ordering a wig, and so you want to keep in mind that if you are going to have hair tucked up under your wig, that needs to be accounted for. So if I had my bio hair and I had it in a low bun, I would need to include the bun in my measurement. I start by taking the start of the measurement and going all the way around my head. The bun is included, and so in that case, it's about 24 inches. When you're ordering a wig, there's lots of measurements you need, and so you either want to have somebody helping you so they can write it down or write it down yourself. They usually ask you to go from over the head, from ear to ear, and so when you're doing this, you're not going to the tippity tops of your ear, you're actually measuring where the ear tabs will be. So here's my ear tabs. Whether you have hair or not, you want to move the hair out of your way and really measure from right in front of your ear, over top of your head, right in front of where the other ear is. So in this case, this measurement would be 12 inches. Sometimes they ask for a front of the head to the back of the head, in which case you also want to include however your hair is underneath the wig. So start at your hairline, go all the way, include the bun, and you want to go right to the end of your neck, your nape, right where your hand falls into the crease of your nape, not all the way down at the bottom of your neck. Right in that crease is going to be your measurement. Those are the standard wig measurements that you would need, and that's how you do it if you have hair. Here are the ways that you can measure yourself for a wig if you do not have hair. So you can see my hairline because my bio hair does grow in. It's just really thin at this top area. If you cannot see your hairline at all, you want to take your hand, put it in front of your face, take your other hand, put it on top of your head, keep them straight and flat, and wherever your two fingertips meet, your middle fingers, put it down, and that is the start of your hairline. And so you can take your tape measure and hold it in place for your front to back measurement. Again, bring it all the way down to where your neck folds, and that is the end of your nape. Same thing with the ear measurements. Right in front of this is where your ear tab is going to rest. Hold it taut and bring it around your head, and that is where your other ear tab is going to rest, and that's your measurement. For your circumference, again, if you can't find it, do the trick, find the center, and that is your hairline. You're not going above your ear for the circumference, you're going behind your ear all the way down. And you might need someone to help you with this, but you go all the way down and around, and there you have it. I have a really small head. My circumference is 21 inches, And there you go. My circumference was different when I had hair. It was about 24 inches around. So you really want to keep in mind about how you're going to be wearing your hair under your wig. If you don't have hair, you really want to try to make sure you're getting accurate measurements by going around the correct spot of your head. If you are too far back, the measurement will be different. If you are too far forward, the measurement's going to be completely different. You're not wearing a hat. You're not measuring for a hat. So this measurement is not going to be happening. It's going to be where the hair is around your hairline. Alright, so that's basically how you measure your hair for a wig. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video makes measuring a little bit easier for you. Make sure to check your sizing guides when you are buying from Lose so you can get the closest measurement. If you are in between sizes, I always recommend going a size up rather than a size down because you can always adjust your wig smaller, but you can't really adjust your wig to be bigger. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.